Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Abhay and today we're gonna discuss how to speak English without fear. If you are learning English and you want more simple speaking practice like this, subscribe and practice with me in the next lessons. Many learners understand English, but when it's time to speak English, their mind goes blank. They feel silence. They don't know how to speak. They don't know where to start. They don't know what to say because of fear. Fear comes in their mind. They think if I speak, maybe I can make mistakes. If I say something, maybe I can do something wrong. That's why they're scared. They're scared of making mistakes. Lack of confidence. They feel like I don't have enough confidence. That's why they feel afraid. But like that fear always comes in mind when you don't speak, when you don't try, when you don't try to make a simple sentence. Fear is normal. If you feel fear, that's totally normal. You try to speak English first. After that, your fear will reduce. But if you try, in this video, I will show you simple and natural ways to practice English without fear. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button to become part of English journey with us. And let's start this journey English speaking together without fear, without shy, without any hesitation. Understand your fear. So you start your conversation with a small sentences and small sentences because they build confidence. You can speak confidently. So you use small sentences. Accept your mistakes. If you are afraid of making mistakes, you will never speak because mistakes are part of learning. If you are making mistakes, that means you are learning. If you are learning, that means you are trying. So you try and you make a mistakes and you can fix them easily. For example, I go to office yesterday. That's not perfect, but you can try and people will understand you. They will understand you what you are talking about. Communication is more important than perfection. So you try to speak, you try to practice. Stop overthinking. Many people think a lot before speaking. If you think a lot, you will never speak. You will never try. Then you try to speak first. You try to say first. Most learners what they make mistakes. In the beginning, you don't need to try perfect sentence. You try to speak, you try to make a mistake, you try to fix them, but you have to try to speak. If you think about perfection, so you are not writing in exams or office work, so you try to speak first. If you try to speak, then you will easily become confident, but if you don't try, then you will take a lot of time to speak. Instead of thinking too much, just try to think a simple sentence, short sentence, simple words, and simple grammar. Do not think about perfection. Just try to think and start to speak. If your sentence a little bit difficult, you don't know how to start, you can start your sentence from starters like I think, actually, let me explain, something like that. You can try to speak. This way you can start speaking and your confidence will come slowly, slowly. Practice daily. Why you need practice a lot? Why most learners they need practice? Because you see around your place, around where you are, you can explain, you can describe your objects, any kind of object. If you see, you can describe them, you can make simple sentence. Try to speak 10 minutes daily, that's enough. But you try to speak regularly. You can describe your day, you can speak in front of the mirror, you can practice like that way and describe things around you. You can record your voice, you can practice with your friends, you can find a partner, you can practice with them, but you have to try to practice. Use simple English. Do not try to use big vocabulary. If you try to use simple English, simple sentence, short sentence, then you will feel more confident. If you really want to become confident, then you try to use simple English, simple words. For example, instead of saying I would like to express, so you can try to simple way I want to say something. You are a beginner, then you try to speak simple English. If you try to speak simple English, then you will feel more confident. That's why you need simple English, simple sentence, simple grammar. Then you can easily express your thoughts. So you follow easy, clear, and natural English. If you try this way, you can practice easily and you can become more confident. Before you stay silent in a conversation, but now you are trying to speak. So you try to speak like this, you will become more confident. So remember this, confidence never comes before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking. So you try to speak first, confidence will come later. If you feel fear today, it's okay. That's normal. You try to speak day by day, every moment. Try to speak. Try to think in English. But don't let fear stop you. Speak anyway, whatever. Start small sentences, small words, practice daily, and accept your mistakes. You will become more confident with that way. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence using any kind of simple sentence, simple words. Try to use simple sentence first. If you are a serious English learner and you want to speak English fluently without fear, then subscribe to this channel for daily English tips, ideas, and lessons. Thank you. See you in the next video.